This is the view from room 115 in the very new Six Senses Kyoto. Used to be a ryokan on this site. Everything's so calm and serene here, jolted by the pink of my compendium over there. Colors are very subdued, very calm. The television is hidden behind this screen that you pull across. There are some little whimsical touches too. The elevators have glass, have mirrored panels, odd curvy linear shapes, and they're covered with little animal outlines. Very sustainable, of course, here. The slippers down there are made of recycled felt. This bare tree just inside would, I suppose, be great for hanging coats on. There are two washing areas with beautiful ceramic bowls and the typical Japanese wet area where you can just see through the screen the deep soaking tub and the shower is next to it. And I'm going to finish with the marvelous little emblem outside the door. Look at the length of the corridor because it's a very, very long and narrow building. But room 115, like all its neighbors, has outside the door this little fellow, a fox made out of recycled paper with the light behind the eyes.